Hi, I'm Dr. Cass Crifasi, co-director of the Hopkins Center for Gun Violence Solutions. I'm excited to tell you about a new report we just released on firearm purchaser licensing in partnership with the Consortium for Risk-Based Firearm Policy. Firearm purchaser licensing laws are the bedrock for all of our other laws to function. You can think of it like a driver's license. It's a simple process where someone applies to get a license before buying a gun. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how they work and why they're important. Number one, you wouldn't get behind the wheel of a car before learning how to safely drive one. We recommend firearm safety training for everyone who wants to get a license to ensure firearm purchasers know how to safely store and handle them. Number two, fingerprinting. Firearm purchaser licensing systems should require fingerprint-based background checks. Lots of jobs require you to submit fingerprints as part of occupational licensure. Perhaps you've even been fingerprinted before volunteering at your kid's school. Fingerprints allow law enforcement to more accurately screen out people who can't lawfully buy firearms. It's also a crime deterrent. People are less likely to buy guns and give them to other people for use in crime if they have to first submit their fingerprints as part of a background check. Number three, the application process should occur in person, and this one's already working. In states with in-person application requirements, firearm homicide rates are 9% lower than states without these systems. Number four, a comprehensive background check. This goes a step beyond the National Instant Criminal Background Check System, or NICS. NICS is only as good as the data that's reported into the system, and sometimes there are gaps or delays in reporting. Allowing state or local law enforcement access to the most up-to-date information as a complement to the NICS system can make sure guns don't fall into the wrong hands. And lastly, number five, there should be a waiting period. Giving people a set amount of time to wait between applying for a license and buying a firearm can reduce impulsive firearm purchasing that might be used to harm oneself or others. This is important for preventing both homicides and suicides, especially among those who have never owned firearms before. Waiting periods are associated with a 17% reduction in firearm homicide and an 11% reduction in firearm suicide. Firearm purchaser licensing laws are helping to lower gun violence rates, both homicide and suicide, across the country. It's important that these laws are based in both public health and the best available evidence.